The husband and wife were sleeping together. The girl suddenly woke up. "Let me go," she said. "Please go back to sleep," the husband replied. "I feel good when you are close to me." Suddenly, the girl got up from the bed. When she looked at her husband, she slapped him. She started hiding her body in front of him. "I am your husband. Don't be afraid of me," he said. The husband picked up the mobile phone and called someone, then handed it to her. She answered the call. "You are sleeping with your husband," came the voice. Hearing this, the girl kicked her husband and he fell off the bed. "I'm coming right now," she said. The girl began to wear clothes while still feeling shy in front of her husband. She had an injury on her neck. "Wear your clothes," the husband said. "I don't have any clothes. Give me something. I don't know anything," she replied angrily. As she tried to get up from the bed, she felt pain. She again tried to cover her body while looking at him. The husband went to bring clothes. She waited for him. He returned with clothes and gave them to her. She took them and he turned his back. She covered herself with a blanket and got dressed. "I've worn the clothes," she said.